Hello and welcome to SAP UI5 OData FIORI Native Viewer Gateway online training. So, you know, SAP UI5 OData FIORI and SAP HANA is the fastest growing technology in SAP area. So, if you want to, if you have to retain your existing job or if you want to be ahead of the competition, you have to learn this UI5 OData FIORI or SAP HANA. So in this UI5 OData FIORI Native Viewer Gateway online training, what are the different things that you will learn? Let us just check. In short, the syllabus. So in short, we'll start from the OData part, then we'll gradually move into the Native Viewer Gateway, then UI5, and then FIORI configurations. So what are the things you will learn in the OData part? Let us check. So we'll start from the very basic things, from the day 1, day 2, day 3. Gradually we'll move into the CRUD queue operations. We'll play with the BAPIs. We'll see how to implement the function imports, file upload download, navigation and associations, MVC architecture, and these are the things no one in this current market is providing the training, including the FIORI part. So while anyone giving the training on FIORI UI5 part, they are not giving training on Native Viewer Gateway configurations part, and not even you will find the XS OData or OData HANA services training, including the UI5 or FIORI training part. So here we are offering these new things as well. So, okay. So after completing the OData part and Native Viewer Gateway part, we will move into the FIORI part. We will move into the UI5 part. And I have seen many of our students are from the ABAP background and they don't know anything about the JavaScript or any kind of scripting language. So we will start from the very basic HTML5 training, then gradually we'll move into how to do coding in JavaScript, how to do coding in UI5 scripting. Then we'll move into some real-time scenarios, how to implement different projects, different real-time objects. So we'll see in our training. So I'm highlighting some of them here. So here each and every UI5 project that we'll build will not use any static data, not even any static data. I'm saying we'll always go and consume our backend OData ABAP service or backend OData HANA service. Okay, that means we are always going to consume the backend database, backend ECC database table data in our UI5 or FIORI application. So you can see for each and every example here we are consuming the data from backend in this tabular format in this browser, Chrome browser, and here we have also used the formatter function. We have used different other UI element like images, checkboxes, button, rating, progress bar, drop down boxes. All the data are coming from the backend database table. You will learn how to consume the data and place it into different graphs like the pie chart, the line chart, and all. And you learn how to navigate from one page to another page. That means in technical term, how to navigate from one view to another view. Not only navigate from one view to another view, but there will navigate from one view to another view with some real-time data. So let's say this is our login page. Here some user is giving the credential and pressing the submit button. You can see the username is appearing here, welcome username, in the second view or second page. That means we are passing our real-time data from one view to another view. And here this data is also coming from the backend database table. And we can also navigate something like this. And there not only we will have the data, but we can also filter the data. So let's say, so if I'll refresh, you will have all the data from the backend database table. But if you want to filter like Kolkata as city, only the two records, uh, to record the employee are residing in Kolkata location are coming up here. Okay, you can also give your input in this text box as well. Like I'm submitting, only the particular record will appear after the filtration, and that record is coming from the backend database table. Keep in mind. In this training, you will learn how to consume the data and place it into row repeater. Okay. You will learn how to use master and detail page for your real-time data. That means backend database table data. So here I'm clicking on record in my master page. It will navigate to the detail page with the detail record. You will learn the different CRUD queue methods as well. So if I'll refresh the page, you can see some records are coming from the backend database table. We can navigate as well, and you will have form. And if you want to create any new record for your backend database table from your front end UI5 or Fiori screen, user can provide the data and press the create button. Or if user wants to change the data, manipulate the data, or delete the data, anytime user can select any record, that record information will appear in the form, and this new two button will appear, update and delete, and user can go and update and delete the record. Okay, so that will reflect in the backend database table, and at the same time it will reflect in this tabular format data. So not only that, so here we are using mostly the Eclipse, but not in Eclipse. We will develop our application, UI5 application, in Web IDE tool as well. So here this is one of the example that we have already built in our training sessions in your previous batch. So here we have built using the Web IDE tool, and here you can see I can navigate from one view to another view. So let's come into the Fiori part, Fiori configuration part, or custom Fiori like application part. Okay, so we'll see how to configure the Fiori application, how to configure the Fiori like application, how to configure it in Fiori Launchpad. Okay, we'll see that in this training sessions. Okay, and so how this training session will go, let me just tell you. So this is around 35-day session, and you will have access to this site. You will have your own credential like this, and you can log in from this student login page. Okay, after giving the credential, you can press the login button, and this SAP UI5 OData FIORI link will appear on your dashboard. So you can access different videos, released videos. So let me tell you, each and every day we will release one video. Okay, that will be available in this link in your dashboard, and you can access this. You can go through the videos, release videos anytime as per your convenient time, and we'll take 2 live sessions at the weekend to clear out all your doubts that you had throughout the week, or probably we can bring some new topics in the weekend live sessions. So first of all, you will have videos here available, and not only videos, you will have detailed document like this, detailed run document like this. So step by step procedure in your document will be available in your dashboard. Okay, so this is how the whole training session will go. So those who are interested in this training, please let us know. You can contact us in the below given emails. Thank you.